Welcome to my channel, good people. In this presentation, I will examine the benefits of options as an investment instrument for investors. What am I trying to say? You see, as an investor, you should know how and when to deploy options to hedge your portfolio. A good example is now, in the second quarter of 2021, when most of the stocks nosedive. And I'm sure you are aware that even the tech stocks are not spare, as they have experienced a significant drop, more so because inflation looms large, while higher interest rate seems inevitable. Okay, now, this is for financial education purposes. Thank you. So grab a cuppa and then subscribe. So, what is option? Good question. Option is a financial contract that gives or empower the buyer to sell 100 shares of stock at option strike price at or before a specified period. Now, I will explain the keywords in the definition. You see, strike price is the price at which an option buyer can buy or sell 100 shares upon exercising the options. It is a laid down principle, nobody changes it. Specified time is the date at which option policy, you or me, implemented, cease to trade on the market or expires worthless. Okay, now let us look at the benefit of options, if you like the advantages of options. You see, you can use options to hedge your portfolio. Let me break it down. Options are a perfect tool for protecting your portfolio. You can buy options on your stock like you buy insurance for your car. For a small amount of money, you can buy option against a longer term trade or investment and fully protect that trade or investment from market dramatic up and down. I will explain more on this point later. You can earn a monthly income, at least 3%. How, you want to ask me? Okay. You can buy stocks at huge discount, get paid to wait by selling cash secure puts. To inform you, this is one of the key strategies often deployed by Warren Buffett to generate consistent income. How? Okay. By selling someone else the right to buy your stock at a predetermined price, you are paid a premium that can be considered to be a special dividend through an option. Trading up, down, and sideways, meaning you can use the option to profit in any direction the stock chooses to go by using what is called iron condom and calendar spread or even snipes. These strategies allow you to profit regardless of the direction of the stock. Could be sideways, choppy, or in circles. Lesser commissions. While it depends greatly on which brokerage you use, online brokerages offer discount on option as there are a great deal of competition now. This helps to keep option trading costs low. Again, commission charged on option are far less than those charged on stock trading. And risk is limited. Options allow you to create trading strategies with limited risk or loss, but with high possibilities of success. You have complete control over the risk exposure. Any movement can be good movement, meaning you do not need to be bullish all the time. Option trading allows you to establish position that earn you money when the market moves down or trades in a range. Owning shares only allows you to profit when the stocks move higher. Liquidity transaction can be executed quickly and easily, so your money is not tied up for a long time as it is in trading shares. You can reinvest many times over at the same time that you might only trade once with shares. This means many more chances to make profit. Besides, short-term traders can even profit from option trading using the strategy known as debit spread and credit spread and lower capital and risk plus higher return on investment. However, I will strongly advise you learn these skills before implementing the strategies. Meanwhile, please check my video titled Option Stock Insurance. I have it in series 1 to 3 for a more comprehensive analysis on option. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Wait, you don't want to miss this next information. You probably want to ask me what's the information. Okay. We have two types of option, namely call and put option. And with the two options, you can buy a call options known as going long on the call, or you could sell a call option known as shortening a call or write a call if you like. And again, you can buy a put options known as long, or you could sell a put option known as going short on the put options. Okay, now let me break it down. Remember the previous definitions of option rather. This time around, let's relate it to a call option. So when or if an investor, as an investor, you buy a call option, it gives you the buyer the right to buy 100 shares of a stock at specific price. You lock it in. Let me explain that again. You see, when or if as an investor you buy a call option, it gives you the buyer the right to buy 100 shares of stock at a specific price. You lock it in, which is called the strike price. Here's the key. You must do it before the specified date. Okay, let's say Netflix is now selling for, say, $486 thereabout. Let's look at the chart. Meanwhile, you are bullish on Netflix because you think Netflix stocks would appreciate, go up soon, but you don't have the $486 to buy Netflix. Now, here is how a call option strategy becomes very reliable too. You see, you could buy Netflix 486 call. The 486 means the strike price, remember, which is the price at which you lock it in. In effect, when you buy this call option, you now have the right to buy Netflix at 486. Meanwhile, if Netflix say goes up to say $500, $600, and $700, you are allowed, it is your right to buy Netflix at $486 and sell it at the current high price. Okay, here's the key. You must carry out this transaction before it expires at a set date. Meanwhile, to initiate this call option, there is a price attached to it, which is called premium. That's it. Is an option safer than crypto asset? Of course, yes. Giving all my explanation on the subject matter. And you and I know that digital currency is very volatile, speculative, and lack intrinsic value, at least for now. Okay, now, big question that I think you and I should ponder on or about is why some of us in the UK, why are we not benefiting? Why are we not leveraging the option strategy? Given all that I've said about this instrument, well, the answer is because we do not have the best platform to trade option. But here's the good news. Webull is now, let's have a look at Webull. It's now up and running in the UK, as you can see on the screen. Okay, what's your opinion on this subject matter? I'd like to hear from you. Here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the target is 500 subscribers. For those who already subscribed, thank you. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.